Hi guys, we're back out with the V-Coptr today. There's no sunshine, it was raining a little bit earlier and it's very overcast. But today we want to go back into OMNI Follow. I think they give you a couple of options there, and in track shots they give you a couple of options. And today we're going to try those out, so stick around. Okay, you know what? For some reason there, the obstacle detection, I have it on, but it seems to be seeing everything around it. So I'm going to turn that off. Okay, and when that was on, if she sees something there, she won't go forward. She doesn't move. So we just turned off obstacle avoidance. And let's see if this is any better. Oh yeah, she's moving now. Okay, she has, it looks to be about 7 satellites. I'm not sure why she's not getting the satellites. Until we get some satellites there, we can't go up any higher. That's the only thing I really don't like about the V-Coptr is it takes a long time to get these satellites. I don't know what's going on with this. Usually when I circle it a couple of times there, we'll get some satellites, but I don't know. She's not doing it. And I can't seem to get her going any higher. Okay, maybe we'll send her out a little bit, see if maybe a different location. Well, now she's moving on her own there. Okay, we got more satellites. So we should be able to get more height here. She was slow climbing. Okay, let's turn her around. Okay guys, we're gonna go into OMNI Follow. Stop the recording. Go into OMNI Follow. Target not detected. Okay, we're gonna click the target, which is me. Okay, now in here I seen back and pivot, as you can see on the screen. Now if I hit that arrow, I wonder what happens. Okay, so I guess in OMNI follow you're only gonna have those two options. Let's go back out of here and let's try pivot. Okay, the drone will hover at the current position and track the target by rotating the drone body. Please pay attention to avoid obstacles during flight. Okay, so let's actually put the drone up a little bit higher and let's click start. Okay, let's see what she's gonna do. Okay, so if I start walking, is the drone gonna stay put? And just, I guess that's what the drone is doing. So if you're in pivot, the drone is just gonna stay in one spot, and wherever you move, it's gonna follow you. So we're gonna walk over here in behind some rocks and stuff and just see if she's gonna stay following. I'm not sure the drone is actually moving. I don't know, maybe the camera is moving, but it's keeping an eye on me. As you can see, I'm in behind this rock pile. Let's see if we get up on the rock pile. We don't want to fall. Whoa. Okay. And she has me there. She has me. Okay, so let's find our way down. Okay. All right, so there's pivot. Let's stop the pivot. Okay, so let's get out of there and let's try the track shots. Okay, track shots. I think we'll move her over here. The track shots. So I'm not sure. Not sure what the track shots are going to do. Okay, so we're going to select the track shot in spiral. Okay, we're going to hit spiral and let's see what the spiral does. Hopefully we're not going to hit any trees. Maybe we should come back here. Or maybe we should put her up a little bit higher. Okay. Let's click start. Let's see what happens. We're only up about 11 meters. Let's see what she does. Okay, she's keeping an eye on me. She's going around. She's picking up speed as she goes around. But she's keeping an eye on me, and I guess she's doing like a spiral. She is going up a little bit higher and farther away. Okay, now she stopped. And it looks like she's actually coming back. It looks like she's coming back. Okay, well that's pretty cool. I wasn't sure how low to have it. So I was up 11 meters for that one, and I cleared everything around. You want to make sure that there's nothing around that can hit, like wires that I have over there, and that's why I came out here. Okay, so let's hit it again. So that's the Spyro, and that's the only choices you get. We hit the arrow, nothing happens. And Surge is more or less like a droney, which we demonstrated before. So let's click start. And away she goes. Away she goes. She's climbing and she's going away. So that's like a droney. And she goes quite a distance out there. I mean, that was like 67 meters away. How's our battery? Oh, we're doing good. We're only at 57%. Okay, well, I guess that's all you're going to get in your OMNI follow and your track shots. They only have 2 options for each one, and hopefully in the future there, the firmware, hopefully they're going to add more. It doesn't seem like a lot of intelligent flight modes. 2 for OMNI follow, 2 for track shots. They're a little bit cool. I wouldn't say out of this world cool, but not bad. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one. We'll be flying more of this bird. She is a great little flyer. I'm still not happy with this camera, but you know what? She flies so nice, so nice. All right, catch you in the next one.